This machine is our homing game factory, the Liu Geese and Super Wholesale fishing game machine named the Golden Engine fishing game machine. Press the pull down the joystick can change the gun tilt, and press the shoot button, hold on 5 seconds to can shoot the fish automatically. Also, you can change the pull down the joystick to change the gun tilt, have the change function. To choose the change to change the gun tilt. This turbo. This machine is 100% Taiwan program and the original version, and all the operation is English capital, English version. It is very easy to operation. The more information you can create our website www.homingame.com to win-win together. That's all. Thank you.